Welcome to the MCA International Stadium in Pune. Match number 26. PBG Kolhapur Tuskers taking on Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings. Rahul Tripathi won the toss and elected to field. So he's ready to chase once again.
Trunkwala captain Om Bhosle, Khatpe, Digvijay Patil, Saurav Nawale, Saurav Singh, Hangarnekar, Shams Anand, Pranay और हितेश वलुंज. अंकित पोरवाल, राहुल त्रिपाठी, सचिन दास, सिद्धार्थ म्हात्रे, श्रीकांत मुंडे, योगेश डोंगरे, तरनजीत ढिल्लों, अथर्व दकवे, उमर शाह, श्रेयस चौहान, निहाल तुसामत.
Om Bhosle, strike rate of 147. And Murtaza Trunkwala, strike rate of 137. 200 plus runs.
Nihal Tusamad has really bowled well.
We're kicking off the proceedings here with the ball for PBG Kolhapur Tuskers, and up front would be Om Bhosle, a slip in place. Oh, very first delivery on the mark.
Yeah, कमाल का शॉट, सिर्फ दिशा दिखा दी.
Again played that one nicely. Backward point fielder leaps, but Murtaza Trunkwala gets a boundary. Dancing down and pulls that one. Will get a boundary. So successive boundaries here.
हवा में गेंद यहाँ पर मौका बन सकता है. ओहो, बहुत ही बढ़िया कैच. तुसामद, डोंगरे ने बहुत ही बेहतरीन कैच. उमर शाह की है पहली विकेट. बड़ा शॉट मारने की कोशिश. इनफॉर्म बैट्समैन मुर्तुजा ट्रंकवाला आउट. मुर्तुजा ट्रंकवाला आउट होके पैवेलियन में 11 पर 20 पर 1 सीएसके.
New man in, Onkar Khatpe. Time. Gets it through the covers. The ball will cross the boundary.
हवा में गेंद, कोई मौका नहीं है. पॉइंट की दिशा में चौका.
In the air, fielder there. Oh, he almost reached. Almost pulled off a blinder. Yogesh Dongre, the fielder. What an attempt. Full marks for the attempt, without a doubt. First ball, he connects that well. One bounce into the fence.
Oh, in there, straight to the fielder. What a wicket. Atharva, the fielder, made no mistake there. Om Bhosle gone for 19, 45 for 2.
Oh, Digvijay Patil walks out to bat. 198 runs this season. What a shot that is! Oh, that's the most graceful way to open your account. Here's the call and straight to the fielder. Rahul Tripathi takes that catch. And this is what we were talking about. Digvijay Patil hit a beautiful drive to get off the mark. Shreyas Chauhan picks up his first wicket.
Patil gone for 6, 52 for 3 now CSK.
Saurav Nawale is the new batter.
Shot! Timed well!
Long off, into action straight away. Was looking to go big inside out, even though on the previous occasion missed the ball completely, and the second attempt didn't time it. Had the elevation but not the distance.
खाटपे को आउट किया है 26 पर 66 for 4.
Onkar Khatpe, okay, is back in the dugout. In comes Saurabh Singh. Yeah! Big appeal given! Darkway has picked up his second. Saurav Nawale dismissed.
Great bit of bowling. The consistency paying off. Saurav Nawale gets back into the hunt after getting 7 of 14 delivery, 73 for 5.
And the impact player now, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings, forced to make that change. Get confirmation on the names. Onkar Khatpe's job is done. He scored 26. In comes Harshal Kate.
They'll take that at this stage of the game. They'll take that boundary.
ओह, बाल बच गए, यहाँ पर चौका मिलेगा। 22 का विकेट कीपर चुक गए। अच्छी गेंद यहाँ पर, बोल्ड इन। बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी डाकवे की, इसके पहले भी बच गए थे। हर्षल काटे, इंपैक्ट प्लेयर, इंपैक्ट करने आए थे और बोल्ड हो गए। 7 रन बना के 89 for 6.
Yes, so in comes Rajwardhan Hungargekar. Look at that strike rate, 224. That's what he does. And goes! Rajwardhan Hungargekar, first ball, looking to go over mid-off. But Atharva Dakwe has picked up his 4th. Hungargekar goes without scoring, 89 for 7. Shamsuzama Kazi on a hat-trick was Atharva Dakwe. What a fabulous spell. Atharva, 4 overs, 4 for 10, 89 for 7.
Short delivery, timed well, out of the ground. That's a lovely shot. Even though he didn't time it well, but he placed it well.
Oh, yes, that's gone. That was easy as it comes. A change in pace. Batter Kazi was trying to guide that one over point region, but only gets an outside edge.
Cham's gone for 408 for 8 now, CSK.
Anand Thenge. Again, bit wideish. Oh, he's gone. Tripathi, anti-climax there. Soft dismissal. Saurabh Singh again bowled it a little wide. And Saurabh Singh was sucked into it. And an easy catch there.
Saurav Singh gone for 26, now 112 for 9.
Pranay Singh, the final man in.
That's a lovely hit from Tenge.
Change in pace, full toss. Smashes that one down the ground. What a shot.
Yeah, you can bowl it consistently. Oh! He started walking. Pranay Singh has started walking. Umar Shah, well done. Collected it off his own bowling in the follow through. A direct hit.
CSK bowled out for the first time this season. What an effort by PBG Kolhapur Tuskers, restricting CSK to just 126. That's the target for PBG Kolhapur Tuskers. They need 127 runs, pick up 2 more points.
Ankit Bhavne is an impact player, opener. Every match he has come as an impact player. So Umar Shah will go out. Niket Porwal need to score some runs. Pranay Singh has really bowled well every match. Shot. Beautiful shot. Oh, very well tried. Great effort by Rajwardhan.
Anand Thenge comes into the attack. And the kind of form Ankit Bhavne is in. No chance that he's letting off these loose deliveries go by. What a shot. This cannot be stopped because Ankit Bhavne with this shot making is simply unstoppable. Cut away fiercely.
Shot to the square leg for 4 runs. Amit Porwal.
Oh, that'll be a boundary.
Beautifully timed here. Get a boundary for sure. और शॉट पड़ेंगे शॉर्ट गेंद पर.
And here he picks up the wicket. They wanted that breakthrough, did the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings, and especially here in the power play. And Hungargekar has given that breakthrough. He picks up the first wicket. 21, 45 for 1 are PBG Kolhapur Tuskers. In comes the skipper, Rahul Tripathi. Ankit Bhavne! What a shot that one! Comes down the track, chance there! Murtuza going after it, but that'll be a boundary. Oh! Has been taken on the full toss and the catch has been dropped. Digvijay Deshmukh there went straight up. It'll be interesting to see what the umpires are going to signal. Is that a no ball or is it a fair delivery? A catch drop, so that will be considered as a fair delivery. Oh yes, given. Yes. An interesting fight. Goes straight. Goes long. Straight over the bowler's head. Rahul Tripathi in the slot. Flying out of the plot. Ankit Bawni now has 300 runs are gone. So Rahul Tripathi against Shams Qazi. Shams has got him 2 out of 2 now.
Rahul Tripathi goes back into the dugout for 16 that he's got of 10 deliveries, 75 for 2.
In comes Sachin Das. Swept away, nicely swept away. That got him. Goes on the back foot, maybe an inside edge. Ricochets on the stump. So Hitesh Walunj picks up that wicket. So 2 in-form batters of the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers dismissed.
Ankit Babne departs for 39, 83 for 3.
In comes Siddharth Mhatre. Oh, nicely swept away there by Mhatre. Tossed up by Qazi. Swept. 4 runs for Mhatre. Oh, goes for it. Pitched up. Nicely connected by Sachin Das.
Singh's back, and what a way to welcome him.
That's played towards the long on boundary between mid wicket and long on.
Pranay Singh back again. This time, Siddharth Mhatre.
Another boundary.
Again this time, terrific way to end the over. Yes, it is interesting. What a way to finish the game. Behind square, Mhatre deposits that one to seal the deal by 7 wickets. The quickest win in MPL achieved by PBG Kolhapur Tuskers and 2 valuable points in their kitty.